Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturns. I want to give you an update on the Christmas Ornament Challenge. We've started. The ornaments are coming in. One pattern that I see so far is that one club is pulling ahead in terms of club participation. Remember, that's part of the challenge, and the top clubs get a free remote demonstration. There are other great ones. It's too early to call the others, but there are some really great ornaments out there. I see a lot of diversity. I see a lot of fantastic ideas being incorporated into the ornaments that have come in so far. But it's missing something. It's missing probably yours. Remember to get it in before the end of the month, end of November. Go to ornamentchallenge.com, give us your picture, give us who you are, and we'll put you into the challenge. You immediately get your discount coupons to apply to some of your favorite vendors, and then we can celebrate more later as we choose our utmost favorite. So get it in. Let's have a Merry Christmas.